He did a good job, young man. Huron Vista versus Kia Horde.
Attorney Samantha Sprague, P81931, appearing on behalf of the plaintiff.
And Vanessa Collins. Porter Collins. I think it's hello, what are your names?
I'm Vanessa Collins.
I'm Katrina.
Okay. All right, very good. Thank you. Okay, and where are we on this case?
Yes, Your Honor, we currently have a balance of $4,390 as well as court costs of $274.44 for a total due and owing of $4,664.44.
All right. Ladies, how are you intending on getting that paid?
I've been reaching out to resources for them to help me out with that. They do have a requirement for us to pay some and then for them to pay the rest. I am trying though to do that.
And I also have a job coming up too in a few days, working at Amazon. So I hope, to be able to help pay some of this that has been added on.
But as it stands right now, you don't really have a plan in place as to how you're going to get this accomplished, right?
Well, I don't have any standing on anything, but I do reach out to the resources that were given to me. Is just that the minimum balance that they wanted, I'm over that for one, and then the other one I'm trying to get in contact with, but it just seemed like, either I missed their call or they missed mine, so. But I am trying to reach out to someone so that they could help out with the balance.
Okay. But let me ask you this. If I said to you guys, what are you going to be able to come up with in the next 2 weeks? What would you tell me?
For myself personally, I probably would have $1,000 I could put down or close to it, maybe 800. But I wouldn't be able to pay off the whole thing.
So is that for both of you that within the next 2 weeks you could come up with 800 to 1,000?
Me working for Amazon, things don't kick in till the third week for a paycheck. So, once I get that paycheck, I would definitely be able to help with any extra that is needed.
All right.
So correction, I probably more so the end of the month I'd have 800 because the 2 weeks would only be 2 week check. So maybe right.
And here's what the problem is. I can't get the math to work because what will happen is that those monies would come in and then July rent kicks on. And all right, here's what I'm going to do, and at least to try to give you a shot. I'm going to find no tribal issue after a hearing in this case. I'm going to grant a judgment to the plaintiff for possession for this 466,444 for that total amount. I will indicate, and I'm going to extend the writ date because the best shot I can give you is I can just give you to the end of the month to get this paid or work something out with the landlord. That's the best I can see that I can do.
And I'm doing that.
I appreciate it, Your Honor.
I do.
All right. I'm doing that over the objection of plaintiff, but that's where it's gonna be. So,
Thank you, Your Honor.
Rich,
And that's 6:30 for the writ date?
yeah, June 30th.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. Good luck.
Thank you.
Nia, what is she? What is Kim up here? She's doing something. What is she giving the people? What? Kim? Min?
Yes.
What are you handing out?
Oh, it's a flyer, a Know Your Rights flyer.
No, I know my rights. Jania Hinton? Not here.
No.
All right. You had previously been sworn, I think, this morning. You may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. We do show that currently there is past due rent in the amount of $1,276, as well as court costs in the amount of $240.81, for a total due owing of $1,516.81. To the best of my knowledge, the unit was kept fit and habitable for its intended purpose. The defendant is not a minor, nor in the military or incapacitated. I would note for the record, Attorney Samantha Sprague, P81931, appearing on behalf of the plaintiff.
All right. Judgment to the plaintiff, that is by default for possession. Redemption amount is in the amount requested. Writ to issue in 10 days.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Huron Vista versus Benita Allen.
Attorney Samantha Sprague, P81931, appearing on behalf of the plaintiff.
Benita Holman.
Ms. Holman, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
I think I did that before, right?
Yeah, it's okay though.
No, you yelled at me last time. No, I'm kidding. All right. Where are we on this?
Yes, Your Honor, we do show that currently there is past due rent in the amount of $7,688, as well as court costs in the amount of $240.81, for a total due owing of $7,928.81.
Give me that final number again. I'm sorry, Counsel.
Certainly, $7,928.81.
Thank you. All right. Ms. Holman,
Yes.
did you, well, you got the 1,000 in, but then January kicked in. All right. How do you see yourself trying to resolve this?
So I have a few different things going on right now. I applied for the DHS. That's pending. I reached out to Hawk, but they told me that the funds were depleted for the month of June. I also have a show cause hearing for non-payment of child support, but the FOC told me that they're so backed up that my hearing for that won't be until August. But I'm.
Did the last time you were here, did you talk to our FOC person?
Yes, I did.
That's it? Okay. And so that's not set until August?
Correct.
Okay. Okay, but you had filed the rental assistance.
Yep,
And
and
so
that's still pending.
It's still pending?
Correct.
Oh, in that case, then you're going to be entitled to an adjournment in any event. It would normally be 1 week, but that's a holiday, so it's got to go to the next week of the 26th, 2026 at 1 p.m. Ms. Holman, between now and then, is there anything that you're going to be able to pay?
Yeah, I'll be able to pay another $1,000 towards the balance within the next 2 weeks.
Okay.
And Your Honor, if I may, is she indicating that she's paid $1,000?
I paid $600. I had a car accident this past week, and then had 2 ER visits with my son for a concussion. So I was only able to pay $600 of it.
Your Honor,
When did you?
sorry.
Oh, I see. So on the 29th, what she had indicated is she was going to pay 1,000 by the 10th. But she's indicating that she got 600 in, had these medical issues or other things. So she got 600 in, and now she's going to try to pay 1,000 by the 26th or some point before then.
And Your Honor, I will note, I did check the ledger yesterday. It was not on there. I'll confirm with my client whether that was received. The numbers that I put on the record does not account for that $600 payment.
Got it. Okay. And ma'am, you did pay that. When did you pay that?
I paid that this morning, actually.
This morning. Okay, that's why. Okay. All right. We'll do that. And ma'am, I'm just let you know that unless I can see some way mathematically, come the 26th, which would be the adjournment that you're entitled to because of the DHS thing, I may be issuing a judgment. Okay. I'm just going to let you know that. Okay.
All right,
All
thank you.
right. Thank you.